Cosmo's tail flicks like a drum in the night. Ooh, Shaka spear glints in the pale moonlight. Paws and feet,
In the heart of Zululand, whispers ride the wind. A king rises, a cat descends. Shaka Zulu, fierce, brilliant. Cosmo, silent, sharp-eyed. An unlikely alliance, bound by purpose. Redcoats march, dust chokes the plains. Drums call warriors home, spears rise, shields lock. Cosmo leaps beside Shaka. War begins. From shadows they strike, silent, swift, vanishing into the land they defend. The empire falters, their rifles miss. The ghost cat can't be caught. By firelight, warriors regroup. We strike at dawn, Shaka whispers. Across the ridge, Cosmo leads, eyes sharp, rage focused. Some fall, but the land remembers. Cosmo stands watch beside the fallen. Tomorrow, the sun rises on warriors unbroken. This is no rebellion. This is the uprising.
Every step, a heartbeat sound.